Welcome to e-learning classes managed by Modern English School, Nawada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher, Modern English School, New Area, Nawada. Dear student, today I discuss some examples of exercise 7b related to similarity and their properties. So please see here. Now see example 17 of exercise 7b. It is very important questions for board examination, dear student. Here is in the given figure PA, QB and RC. Each is perpendicular to AC. That means this is 90, this is 90 and this is 90. Such that PA is equal to X, RC is equal to Y and QB is equal to Z, AB is equal to a small a, BC is equal to a small a. Then prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. We have to prove. Here I take a spin in triangle QBC. Here QBC, this is a small triangle. And find the relation between PAC. One is a small triangle, another is a large triangle. Find the similarity relation between them. First I write B is equal to A. Here is B or here is A. Both are perpendicular, that is 90. So I write here it is 90 degrees, so it is equal. Next, angle C is equal to C. What? Angle C is QCB and angle C also PCA. Both are same, this angle. So it is common, so both are equal. Hence QBC similar to PAC by AA similarity. If these are similar, hence their side is the proportional. I take first side perpendicular is X, then this is perpendicular Z. I write Z by X. First I take Z, then X. Now then base B by A plus B. First equation, that is Z by X is equal to B by A plus B. First we take perpendicular Z, then large triangle perpendicular X. First take a small triangle base C, that is B, and then large triangle is A plus B. Similarly, second, in triangle QBA, this is a small triangle, and RCA, this is large triangle. A is equal to A, here is. This edge is QAB, and this edge is RAC, both are common. Next, angle QBA, that is B, is equal to angle RCA, that is C, both are 90. Hence, by AA triangle QBA similar triangle RCA, take relation here, that is Z YY is equal to A by A plus B. It is second equation. First equation Z by X is equal to B by A plus B, and second equation is Z by Y is equal to A by A plus B. Now dear friends, I write here adding both equations. First equation is Z by X plus Z by Y is equal to B by A plus B and A by A plus B, because we add equation first and second. Equation first and second, LHS 2 term and RHS 2 term. Here we take Z as a common, then write 1 by X, 1 by Y. Here LCM is A plus B. Here is B plus A. A plus B divided 1 times 1 into BB. A plus B divided 1 times 1 into A. But both are same. So it is 1. So you can write 1 by X plus 1 by Y and Z that side. So it is divided. Here is into. So both that side divide. And it is your solution. So it is solved. Now student, question number 19, example 7b. In the given figure, angle ACB is 90 and CD perpendicular to AB, means both are 90 because CD perpendicular on it. Then prove that CD square is equal to BD into AD. So clear student, BD into AD and CD, that means BD, AD and CD, both a small triangle. You can take the similarity relation, then you can find this. How you find? Here you see CD, 2 times. That means 1 time CD in this triangle, another in CD other triangle. Next BD, this triangle, and AD, this triangle. So find the relation between these 2 triangles. Similarity relation. So here I ACB 90 given in your question. This ACB divided into 2 angles but not equal. One is 1, other is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 90. First equation. In triangle ADB, in triangle CDB, sorry, ADB no, CDB, angle D is 90, hence 2 plus 3 is also 90. Why? By angle sum property. Because it is 90, the sum of 3 angle is 180, 1 is 90, then it is clear 2 plus 3 is 90. So I write here 2 plus 3 is 90 in triangle CDB. RHS is equal, so we write LHS is equal, so 2 cancel, so 1 is equal to 3. Now find the relation between these 2 triangles. One triangle name is CDA, another name is BDC. What is the relation between them? Here is 1, this triangle, then other is 3. 1 is equal to 3. Prove above. I prove here. So 1 is equal to 3. Next, angle D is equal to D. D is in this triangle and D is the other triangle. Both are 90. So CDA similar to BDC by angle property. 2 angle I take it, then by property A. Now find the relation between these 2 angles by the ratio of the proportion of their sides. How you find? 1 is equal to 3. What is the opposite sides of 1? It is AD. So we write that is AD. 1 is equal to 3. Opposite of angle 1 is AD. Opposite of angle 3 is CD. So AD, then CD. Next, D is equal to D. Opposite of D is AC. I write here AC. Opposite of D, CB. I write here this. A triangle has only 3 sides. If you write 2 sides here, then 3 you can find easily. ADAC. ADAC you write, so remaining is CD. I write CD. Next triangle CDBC. CDBC you write, then remaining is BD. I write here BD. Your question is CD square. So this CD and CD you take at a time. AD by CD is equal to CD by BD. And cross multiplication, then CD square is equal to AD into BD. It is required your questions. That's okay.
Okay.
Now see question number 21. That is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, and D is a point on AC. D is a point on AC, such that BC square is equal to AC into DC. Then prove that BD is equal to DC. Dear student, you are given that BC square is equal to AC into DC. So find from here BC square. That means one triangle in BC is BDC, another in triangle ABC. So it is clear that you can take the similarity relation between these small triangle and one large triangle. Why? Because one is BC and BC 2 times. So one is BC in a small triangle, another BC in a large triangle. And AC and DC, AC in large triangle and DC in a small triangle. So first I write AB is equal to AC. First it is given in your question. Next BC square is equal to AC into DC. I write BC into BC is equal to AC into DC. This BC by DC is equal to AC by DC. It is equation second. Now write their name, that is triangle ABC and triangle BDC. One is large triangle, other is a small triangle. 2 ratio given in your question, that is BC by DC. BC in large triangle, DC in a small triangle. AC in large triangle, BC in a small triangle. So 2 sides we take from your questions, that is from question 2, it is given in your question. And next angle C is equal to angle C, that is common, because this C also present in this small triangle BDC and C is also present in ACB. So C is equal to C common. Hence triangle ABC similar to triangle BDC by AA simile. If these two triangles are similar, then their sides are in the proportionally equal. So two proportional are given in your question. So you write two proportional, that is BC by DC is equal to AC by BC. It is given in your question. A triangle has only three sides. If two sides you write here, then three you can find easily. Here you write BC AC. So in large triangle BC AC you write, the remaining is AB. So I write here AB. In a small triangle you write DC, you write BC, then remaining is BD. So I write here BD. So BC by DC, AC by BC is given, and this ratio I find from the help of the question. Because two sides is given, then you can find the third. Now we write here AC by BC is equal to AB by BD, and it is clear AB and AC are equal. So this AC and this AB will be cancelled. If it is cancelled, because it is given that, so what is the remaining you have now? It is 1 by BC is equal to 1 by BD. And now write their reciprocal, then 1 by BC is equal to BC, 1 by BD is BD. That is your question's answer. Now see question number 22. In the given figure, CD and GH are thus respectively bisector of ACB and FGE. Bisector means these angles are equal. Here is also these angles are equal, because CD bisect angle C and GH bisect angle G. It is given in your question. Bisector of ACB and FGE of triangle ABC and FGE respectively. And also given triangle ABC similar to triangle FGE. It is also given that. Then you have to prove three things. First, ADC is similar to FHG. Next, BCD similar to GHE. And third, CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. So dear student, first I write the ABC similar to FG given in your question. These two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional or angle are equal. So I write their corresponding angle. Angle A is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle G. Because these two similar triangles, then their corresponding angles are equal. So I write here equal. Now find the relation between these two triangles. One is ADC, another is FHG. I write ADC and FHG. What is equal? A is equal to F. Clearly, because it is given in your question, that is these are similar, then their angle will be equal. So A is equal to F, already given, and C is equal to G. I write this C is equal to this G. Why? Because whole C is equal to whole G, then half C is equal to half G. So the reason is C by 2 is equal to G by 2, because C and G are given. Similarly, next second question, that is BCD, EGH, BCD and EGH. Here also clear B is equal to G. Here is B is equal to E. Here B and there is G. So B is equal to E, because here given B is equal to E. C is equal to G. Here is C by 2, here is G by 2. So C is equal to G, that is C by 2 is equal to G by 2. So by A similarity, this BCD is similar to AGB. Second is clear. Third, find the relation. This relation given in your first. Find out here, student. CD by HG given here. CD, second, third. Then HD, second, third. AC, first, third. Then FG, second, third. So you write, this is similar, already given in first theorem. You have already proved it. So you write only this is similar, proved above. Then what is the relation between here? Here is CD by HG, AC by FG. It is your solution. Now see question number 24. In triangle ABC, P and Q are points on side AB and AC respectively, such that PQ parallel BC, then prove that median AD drawn from A bisect the BC such that D is the midpoint of BC. It is given that then AD bisect the PQ. That means you have to prove M is the midpoint of PQ. So dear students, I write here BD is equal to DC. Why? Because D is the midpoint of PC, because AD is the median. Next, in triangle APM and triangle ABD, this angle A is common in both APM, angle A present, and ABD also A present. So A is equal to A common. Next, P is equal to B. This is P and this is B. These are corresponding angle. So P is equal to B. That is corresponding angle. So APM similar to ABD. This APM similar to ABD. Then their corresponding side are in the proportional. So opposite of A is PM. I write PM. Opposite of A is large triangle, that is BD. So AM by BD is equal to opposite of P, AM, and opposite of B is AD. So AM by AD is first equation. Similarly, this side is a triangle AMQ and triangle ADC. I take A is equal to A because common in both triangles, this triangle and here is also triangle. Q is equal to C. This is corresponding angle, then it is Q is equal to C. So triangle AMQ similar to triangle ADC. Hence, opposite of A is MQ and opposite of A is DC. Similarly, opposite of Q is AM and opposite of C is AD. Find out, dear student, from question first and second, RHS is equal AM by AD and AM by AD. So LHS is equal. So you write from equation first and second, we get PM by BD is equal to AM. PM by BD is equal to MQ by DC. But this BD and DC are equal because D is the midpoint. So what you have remained? It is PM is equal to MQ. That means M is the midpoint of PQ. It is you have to prove it questions. Now see, last question of today's session, 25. In the given figure, E is a point on side CB. E is a point on side CB produced at E of an isosceles triangle ABC such that AB is equal to AC. If AD perpendicular to DC, is AD perpendicular to DC and EF perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. Triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. So dear student, you write ABD and triangle ECF. What is equal here? Angle D is equal to angle F. Here is angle D 90 and here is F. These are also 90. So you write angle D is equal to angle F. I write here both are 90. And angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is given in triangle ABD. Here is angle B. In triangle ABD, here is angle B, and in triangle ECF, angle C, both are equal because AB is equal to AC given, then their base angle are equal, so B is equal to C. So right here B is equal to C. Here two angles, so by AA similarity, we can say triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. Remaining question, try to solve.